Assalamu alaikum. Today we will let you know about the daily routine of the lesson. So please come and join us. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I am fine, and what's about you?
I am also fine. Let's discuss about the daily routine of the lesson. There are two departments in the lesson: Hifz department and the Sinizam department. Please tell us about the Hifz department of the lesson.
After Fajr prayer, we came madrasa and our class started 5:30 to 8. During the class, we revised our lesson and told the Mulsa. 8 to 8:30 our short break, and 8:30 to 11 our sabki time, and we revised sabki and told the Mulsa. And we have also IT classes. Ayan, please tell me.
Okay, we have IT class. We are learning IT classes from under professional teachers, in which we learn about Qiraat, new skills, and computer languages, and much more. And after that, we take our lunch, and after namaz, we take lunch and take a nap of our. After that, from 2:30, our class again continue, and till 4:30, we have a time to repeat and tell the Manzil to the Karsa. After that, we take English class and from professional teachers, and after that, we offer us a prayer, and then we go to ground and play in different games. Yeah.
After Maghrib prayer, our classes continue. We memorize the lesson, and there are also Balgan class. Mufti Sahab teach them, learn the Quran and Arabic languages, and translate to Urdu translation to Urdu as well.
After Isha prayer, there is another class of Balgan, in which they learn the hadith of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So that is our daily routine.
رحمة للعالمين رحمة